Alright, we are starting out Evo Kitchen July 5th with some wild gold shrimp. We're going to make some shrimp scampi. We've got about, exactly, in fact, 1 solid pound of shrimp and jump cut. More vegetables than you need for some VeggieTales. We've got red, my favorite of the bell peppers. We got some yellow, you know, runner-up, and then we've got green, but not a green bell pepper, no. We got some green zucchini. Jump cut. I noticed just a half second after I tried to do that jump cut, if you arrange the bell peppers like that, and you look at that little mark on the zucchini, it kind of, sort of, looks like a smiley face. Smile! Alright, now we've got the shrimp out. We're going to get these guys de-thawed. That's a solid 16 ounces of shrimp goodness soaking in here. And jump cut. Y'all know I'm always on a mission to get those pork rinds. God, I'm clever. Oh, I never get tired of my own voice. So I put these in a nice hefty bag. I just want to do a little crunchy crunch. Those last few weren't even for the pork rinds, that was for the downstairs neighbors. And you can see here I've got the finest, bell juiciest Parmesan. And I think I'm about to do a great job. God, I love it. I'm going to cut this bad little bell pepper up. One of the things I like to do, since we're making strips with this thing, is I'm going to find the knots. I'm going to go in between. That way, whenever I go take this out, it's primarily a seedless extraction. Boom. Boom. And mostly, I think I lost a single seed there, but hey, I'll take it. Boom. Alright, now let's strip these out. Alright, got the core. Alright, got the core out, so now I want to strip these guys down because I want length as opposed to dicing up like you typically see. Actual size doesn't matter. Somewhere between thick and thin is what we're going for. If I had some level of knife skill, that would have been much cooler. But that's the target. Okay. Just about let y'all get off the hook without seeing the cool stuff here. I've got my zucchini cut in halfsies. So I'm going to do this guy up in quarters. Obviously I prefer perfect quarters, but that's not always an option just because of the skill of the man working the blade. And boom. We got our zucchini squares. Wunderbar. Alright, we've got our beginnings of the concoction here. We've got our chicken broth, lemon juice, salt, pepper, butter, and chicken broth, and of course, getting some shallots, those little tiny baby onions I recently found out, thrown in for funsies. Now, obviously, I got a little bit ahead of myself putting all this together, but y'all know I'm a fan of both shrimp and spirals. I meant to do that. That is all part of the plan. There's nothing going wrong here. But y'all know I'm a big fan of spirals. I like those fractal designs. Pretty much anything that's a self-same reference. Since, as I've taught y'all before and shown you in some of the videos, the body can be interpreted as a great big spiral just because there are two different kinds of rotating joints here. I'm just trying to cover the fact that I'm about to drop everything here. I really don't want to mess up this concoction, but boom. And we got some garlic in the bowl here, and I've got a 1/3, if that Texas pop in there, 1/3 cup of my pork rinds coming up. Oh, camera didn't mess with that. Alright, we got some red pepper flakes, we got some garlic, butter, crushed up pork rinds, Parmesan cheese. Oh yeah, guys, I think we're ready. And of course, we have to have 2 tablespoons of parsley thrown into this nice, beautiful mix. One thing to keep in mind with that is whenever you go to put it across your shrimp here, you can't actually pour it like I tried to do initially. It's a goopy sensation on the hands, but the hands are the best tool to get this all the way across these beautiful, delectable shrimp. Now they have been skinned. Oh yeah, kind of sort of forgot about the onion. There's an onion as well. Look at that zucchini, and then bell peppers, and onion. We've got some butter on the melts. I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. I thought I was going to be unimpressed with these copper pans. This thing is the stuff. So is butter. So I went ahead and threw this bad boy. Ignore the cleanliness issue here. Cleaning earlier and later today, but still. We've got some butter cooking up, and then we're going to throw in our onions and our vegetables into the butter. Now we got some butter in these this pan. It's copper. I thought and expected to be unimpressed by it, but I've smeared it pretty much the entire perimeter that this onion and vegetable stack is going to touch. I was thinking about using olive oil, but considering the temperature at which we're cooking, the speed we'll be cooking, and when I want this all done, how I want it all to taste, I felt like butter was the best option. Obviously, this will be explained in the downloadable free PDF recipe guide for ultra low carb scrimp scampi. Onion. Get off of there. Just. I'm going to let these onions caramelize for about 2 minutes. Throw in the rest. Jump cut. Alright, that's the 2-minute mark. I think these guys are good to go for the next round. Vegetables. Honestly, that's probably the most cathartic moment of this entire cooking experience. Can you smell it? Oh, because I guarantee you, it is cooking. I really wish somebody would put those words together into a phrase and maybe put it on a t-shirt. That would rock. And boom, the shrimp is officially scampied. Got my vegetables over here, got the shrimp over here. Guys, thank y'all for following along in this Evo Kitchen video, and we'll see you next time.